As a remote employee visiting an unfamiliar office, it can be frustrating trying to locate your meeting or workspace. EMS takes the guesswork out of this process.
Using the touchscreen kiosks, you can make a new reservation, you can locate a room for an existing meeting, or you can locate a colleague. Let's take a look.
For the everyday user, your organization may have a requirement to have a centralized location in order to perform functions regarding any meeting or event space reservations. In this case, EMS software provides a kiosk in order to perform those functions. For example, by clicking on My Reservations, I can search for myself and find information about my day today. In this case, I have a 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. meeting in the New York location, Collaboration Room 1. If I don't know where that is, I can click on View Map and it will show me with a green check mark on a floor plan what room that is or location. If I need to check into my space or make an additional reservation, those options are available to me as well. In this case, making a new reservation is simply a matter of telling the system when I will be available for that meeting and when I want to provide information to the system in order to do that. In this case, I'll make a meeting from 10:58 to 11:30. The system provides me availability of all rooms in my location that have availability for me to schedule a meeting within. If I'm not sure where those locations are, I can simply click a map and see all of those locations available to me. Since this room looks good for me, I click this room and reserve it. As you can see, it does show that through the walk-up kiosk, I have reserved the conference room 2 from 10:58 to 11:30 p.m., and I have been auto-confirmed. If I need to locate a person within the system, I can do that as well. Perhaps I need to find a coworker that I work next to. In this case, I'll look for Robert. I can see that Robert has a number of meetings within the system, and some of those he's canceled or confirmed. If I need to find information about where he might be at this point, or where his next meeting is, I can always view that map, find that information, and see where he'll be located for the day. This is extremely useful for hoteling or other ad hoc type reservations.
What Billy has just shown you there is how EMS can be used on the spot via a touchscreen kiosk or a room sign. You can use these tools to make a new reservation, change a reservation, find a meeting or a colleague. This ultimately saves more valuable time and helps you to be more productive in your day.